Yahoo! I'm preparing for the live stream, Abby Your Healthy Body or Abby Penalosa na naka-live. So, hi guys! Naka-live ako, so
Hello.
if you wanna stay, it's okay. Welcome, Zai. Welcome, Doc Chester. Parang dito na lang kayo nagkakilala. Charot.
Hello,
So, we
Doc.
are live na. Hi!
Hi.
So, na-miss ko yung tita session. So, kahit tayo lang, kasi yung kaninang 4 p.m., sobrang dami talaga. Again, besties na
Ah,
nasa. Oo. Now, yung mga iba kanina nagsulpot-sulpot, syempre 8 ko pa man siya i-open. Now, live din
mm.
ako sa TikTok. So, naririnig lang nila tayo. So, guys, if
Okay.
you wanna join us on Zoom, message lang kayo. Ha, kaya ko ba ito sabay-sabay, di ba? So, yeah, good evening, besties. And I'm just so glad and happy that we are here. So, kasi live din siya on Facebook. And now you can see um tawag dito, possibilities on having your health or getting back your health because napakahirap nga naman din magkasakit. But before pa lang tayo magkasakit, ito na talaga yung kailangan nating pagtuunan. Hi, Chrisali! So, I think si Chrisali ay guest ko kanina sa sa TikTok. Hi! Sa mga, marami pong mapasok sa TikTok. Pero guys, go kayo sa Abby Penalosa, naka-live doon and makukuha niyo yung link ng Zoom doon din. So, hi, Chrisali! Good evening! So, I'm Abby, your healthy body, and I'm a cosmetic science formulator student, a woman behind Nature Organic Shop in FGS Pilipinas. That's the group. And a metabolic ambassador, a mom of one, lover of nature ako, and happy to bring value to people through knowledge and healthcare. And I'm a breastfeeding peer counselor na based dito sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Tapos, natawa ko, hindi pala naka-open yung camera ko. 'Di ba? Wait. I will open it. So, hi guys. Ayan. Meron pang mga joining. Gawin ko si Zay nga, co-host. Ayan. Si Nurse Zaira.
Sige.
Sige. Ayan. So, I'm just so happy that Nurse Zaira and Doc Chester is here because they know better than me when it comes to like healthcare on a professional level, especially dyan sa tawag nito sa healthcare, no, ng sa hospital and mga ganyan-ganyan. So nowadays, when you walk into the mall, when you walk outside, o kung nagko-commute ka or kahit hindi ka nga nagko-commute, you see this every day. There are so many people that are struggling with their health. Una na dyan, yung mga medyo mababaw-babaw lang, mga gout, 'di ba? Maybe insulin resistance sa mga kababaihan merong endometriosis or adenomyosis in my case, may ang dami ng mga malalaki, no? Fatty liver, CKD, may thyroid problems, lalaki man o babae, obesity, and many more. Now, sa mga matatanda, lagi natin nakikita, pag halimbawa 30 plus, parang, bakit sila hypertensive na? Diba? Mga ganyan-ganyan. Now, yun yung kailangan nating alamin in this call. Kung bakit nga ba ito nangyayari na para bang 5 years ago bigla na lang silang naglipa na or dumami. 'Di ba? Now, if you can relate to this or you can think of someone who has these conditions, mag-tune in ka talaga kasi baka para sa iyo ito or sa family mo or sa close friend mo, 'di ba? Kailangan nila. Again, sa mga nasa TikTok, lipat po tayo sa Abby Penalosa dahil naka-live 'yan when it comes to this topic. Now, this night, yung mga questions na to might be answered. Bakit nga ba ito nangyayari? Paano ba natin mape-prevent to? Or bakit ko ba ginagawa to, Abby? Bakit ginagawa mo to? Or yung body ba natin, matutulungan ba tayo mag-heal from within? And meron ba tayong mga sistema or mga apps na talaga makakatulong? And again, this is free. Guys, this is free, okay? So, balik tayo. Yung mga CKD na yan, yung mga may hypertensive, mga hair fall, obesity, low testosterone, and many more. Sa kababaihan, dami na may PCOS, di ba? Irregular na yung menstruation, or we call it, at some point, hormonal imbalance. Fatty liver, nagiging problema na yan. Napabata ng pabata rin yung cases. When you walk outside, mapapaisip ka. So again, my question is, pag nakita mo to, may mga 3 o 4 o kahit 2 ka bang kakilala na merong ganito? 'Di ba? Or naiisip na maaaring merong ganito. Uy, may 40 viewers tayo sa sa TikTok. Guys, lipat kayo. Abby Your Healthy Body, magre-reply po dun, or Abby Penalosa, naka-live po yan with the Zoom ngayon. So, most people ngayon, struggling tayo. Low energy, number one. Pagkatapos mo kumain, tarang antok ka na kaagad. Weight gain, talagang talamak na din. Declining health. Dahil, ang nangyayari sa food system natin and lifestyle natin, nag-iba na talaga. And by the way, guys, commercial, this call is just really 45 minutes to an hour. So I hope this will give value to yourself on how we take care of ourselves, no? So, nagbago na. Before, nagsascavenge tayo, no? Or naghahanap tayo ng food natin. And talagang parang 3 araw may pagkain, after ilang araw wala na naman, so hanap-hanap na naman. Now, hindi na ganoon. Bawat kanto, may makukunan tayo ng pagkain, di ba? And madali na lang umorder through our cellphone or our apps. Di ba? And pati mga anak natin, gano'n na yung nangyayari. Or kahit pamangkin mo, ang dali mo na lang siyang ilibre. Na, sige, Jollibee tayo. Ganyan. Ang bilis na. Now, yung mga pagkain natin before, sobrang maliliit. Kung i-review natin yung mga 50 years na ng mga pagkain, ha, sobrang maliliit, sobrang dense. Pag kinagat mo talagang may fiber na agad na nararamdaman. But nowadays, bakit sobrang laki na? Yung apple natin, di ba, parang ganun lang siya dati, parang orange-orange lang siya. But nowadays, it gets bigger and bigger. And sa isip natin, parang, uy, mas juicy siya. Di ba? Tignan niyo yung picture dito. Yung natural peach before, parang ganyan lang siya. And ngayon, sobrang laki na niya. And pinaka-easy nga nakukuha natin sa mga tindahan, no? Naka ano na siya, nakapack na siya or naka-can na siya. Sa 113,000 viewers sa TikTok, message niyo po Abby Your Healthy Body or follow Abby, or as si Nurse Dyer is also there. She can put the link of this Zoom over there in the comments. So, malaki na siya. Yung food natin ngayon is designed to be bigger, lower in nutrition and lower in fiber, and talagang nakaka-addict. Nag-a-agree ba kayo dyan? Diba? Kasi ako nag-a-agree talaga. Yung chocolate cookies noon, dati konti lang yung chocolate. Ngayon, overload na talaga siya. Diba? And it's keeping us to constantly be hungry and addictive, or mas gusto na natin yung food. And ang dahilan talaga niyan, yung food companies are in control of everything that we eat. Kumbaga cycle na yan ng mga brands, no? So, and they're earning many thousands of pesos and trillions of pesos by having this, or talaga namang napapaisip tayo na ito kay brand na ganito, ganyan, pero hindi natin alam yung sistema o yung cycle ng food na yan, sila-sila din. Diba? So, here we go. Wait. Ayan. Now, it leaves us struggling with cravings, matinding food noise, excess fat, na kung payat ka, nagiging belly fat or nagiging fat na siya sa liver, and many more, and low energy. Many other health issues when we get older and older, na parang naisip natin, sa age lang ba to o sa environment ko na ba to? Millions are injecting this drugs. Ayan na, nabasa nyo na siya. And ang nangyayari is, parang natutuwa yung mga tao na, hala, kasi mabilis yung effect, no? But we didn't know that it has serious and potential irreversible side effects. So, yun siya. Hindi ko kasi mabanggit dahil nandito ako sa TikTok. Pero ayan siya. So guys, lipat kayo sa Zoom natin. So here you go. Many had filed lawsuits dito regarding this because nagkakaroon sila ng stomach paralysis dahil nga hindi na sila nagugutom in stops. So hindi tayo ganon. But, ang culprit talaga natin ay yung pagkain natin ngayon. 'Di ba? Instead of us leaning into a healthier food, ang nangyayari is dahil mas easy access yung mga food na yan, yun na lang yung inaano natin. Kumbaga yun na lang yung gusto natin. 'Di ba? So what happens is, kain tayo ng kain every 2 to 3 hours, hindi natin mapigilan yung sarili natin basta hanap na tayo ng hanap ng food. It's lacking nutrients, exactly, and sinisira niya talaga yung gut natin from within. It's turning off our body's natural ability to burn fat and shut down the food noise. Ngayon, instead of using the energy, yung fat, nagiging fat kasi yan sa katawan natin eh. Glucose to fat, yung lahat ng kinakain natin, healthy or not. Now, ang nangyayari since addictive na tayo, kumbaga, hindi na maintindihan ng cells natin, hindi na niya ma-process kung saan ba lalagay yung energy. Ang nangyayari sa atin is, miski nagbo-burn siya ng fat at nagagamit natin yon, nagiging resistant na siya. And when it becomes resistant, grabe yung food noise. So overload na. Leading to overeating which causes blood sugar spike. Now, the constant sugar spike natin, ang nangyayari is nagiging insulin resistant tayo or inignore na ng mga cells natin yung insulin kasi nga hindi na siya makapagpapasok pa. Di ba? So, nahirapan na siya miski mag-open yon at mailagay sa kung sa muscle natin for energy and many more. Hindi na ganun yung nangyayari. No? And what happens is, yung hormone natin na insulin na nagko-control sa blood sugar levels natin kasi dapat within 2 hours bumaba na siya. Lahat ng kinain natin bumaba na siya. Kumbaga na-share niya na sa ating liver, na-share na sa ating muscles, share na siya para magamit. Hindi na nangyayari yun. Okay? At hindi ito nangyayari na kahapon lang kumain ka ng chocolate, insulin resistant ka na ngayon. Hindi po siya ganon. So again, pupunta tayo doon sa nagkukos bakit dumadami yung sakit natin. Now, over time, you can develop insulin resistance which can show up through these signs. Grabe yung acne, kahit na sa lalaki. Fatigue and low energy, yung brain fog, yung parang kang lutang-lutang talaga. And ito kababaihan at kalalakihan, grabe yung belly fat, lalo na around the waist. Now, high blood sugar na lumalabas na kahit na hindi ka trentahin, high triglycerides, and really tired after meals. Especially ito kahit hindi ka diagnosed. Meron kang dark patches sa neck and underarms or sa mga singit-singit, and of course, migraines. Pero, ito na, pabata na rin ang pabata. High cholesterol, gout. In my case, nagkaroon ako ng PCOS. And in men, decreased testosterone, and worse would be fatty liver. So ano nga ba yan, Abby? Yung insulin resistance medyo hindi ko pa narinig, if that's your question. And yun na nga, hindi pa kasi talaga yan na na-diagnose lang basta-basta. Parang wala tayong ganun kasi pa sa Pilipinas. But this will really save you a lot because you can see these signs in your body na kahit na hindi ka pa diagnose, ito na yung nafe-feel mo. So we have physical parameters, no, that actually Nurse Zaira and Doc Chester can agree with. Now, insulin resistance is linked to many diseases such as heart disease, Alzheimer's, the big C, yung body fat, dementia, stroke, osteoarthritis, migraines, sciatica, fatty liver PCOS, and low testosterone, and many more. Now, saang team ba kayo? Kung tatanungin ko kayo, do you believe that the ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure? Diba? Saan ba kayo? Team treatment? Nagamot agad? Or team prevention? Saan kayo do?
Prevention is better than cure.
Oo, nurse na ang nagsabi. Prevention is better than cure. Kasi nga naman guys, when you get to be hospitalized, grabe yung drastic yung mga pangyayari, no? Parang tuloy-tuloy, and then you get locked up na wala kang magawa. 'Di ba? So before that happens, andito na kami para explain sa inyo na may maaaring makatulong din sa atin. Now, that's why we created the Feel Great system. It's a food-based and food-first approach. Dalawa lang po ito. Very simple that we really find out. And has been backed up by decades of science. Eto, makinig kayo kasi ito na yung mga pinaka-importanteng part. This had been proven in 20 clinical studies including the Cleveland Clinic, University of Sydney. Bakit namin nilalagay ito? Because number one, yung Cleveland Clinic pa lang, heart hospital siya. And what did it say? It says na may credibility talaga tong produktong ito, no? That helped us. Not just me, pati si Doc Chester, makikita nyo. And si Nurse Zaira. Again, we have nurse and doctor here, ang saya-saya. Now, they're natural, safe, and free from side effect. Without the system, our meals today, what causes it? Insulin spike na todong-todo. And pag nangyari yun guys, nakita nyo, lumalagpas tayo doon sa dapat ano lang natin, dapat na part lang ng katawan natin or ng pag-process ng katawan natin ng sugar. Lumalagpas, nagka-crash. So, that's what happens. And that leads to fat storage, cravings, overeating, and eventually weight gain or nahirapan na yung mga organs mo and you will have visceral fat. And that causes damage in our body. Constant time cravings mo, lagi-lagi na, and grabe na mag-crash yung energy mo. With the system that helped us, your insulin and glucose stays under control. Nakita nyo, hindi na siya ragasa na spike, hindi na siya ragasa pababa na nakakasira ng hormones natin. And you get to keep that fat burning on level. That means, tahimik ang cravings natin or very, very low and sustained ang energy natin. 'Di ba? Mas steady yung energy natin all day. That means we can work properly. Hindi tayo lutang-lutang. The first product is Unimate. It's a concentrated yerba mate extract. It's zero sugar, natural caffeine lang meron sa kanya dahil tsaa nga siya. It's vegan, kosher, halal certified and FDA approved. That's why it's available in 62 countries and kumbaga nasa top talaga siya ng healthcare. Now, just like matcha, sa Japan, meron tayong ganito naman dito, which is from South America. It doesn't have artificial caffeine. So, yung caffeine is component na talaga siya ng tsaa. So, katumbas lang din siya ng cup of coffee. But why is it better than cup of coffee? Malalaman natin. So, it's from South America. It's a powerful stimulant boosting ang energy. It increases mental focus and metabolism. And it's studied to ha, it aids in weight management, improve physical performance, reduce our inflammation, which is nangyari sa akin, lowers LDL cholesterol, and support immune function. So dito na tayo sa pinag-uusapan na talaga natin yung gut natin. And kung naisip nyo yung mga tusok-tusok na yan, eto guys, this protocol increases your GLP-1 up to 67%. That it makes us feel full longer eh. And by doing that, it helps us to fast. It controls our cravings as well and supports our healthy glucose na mas pantay lang siya. And yes, many food can increase our GLP-1, but as per studies, Unimate is in there giving us the top tier of GLP-1 naturally. Again, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, GLP-1 or glucagon-like peptide is already inside our gut. 'Di ba? So kailangan lang natin siya suportahan sa may mga pikos diyan na nakikinig, no. Lipat kayo ng Zoom. Nilagay ni Nurse Zaira yung ano dito. Lagay ni Nurse Zaira yung Zoom natin o ipipin ko. O ayan. So pasok kayo. Now, it increases 60% of GLP-1. And pag nagamot-gamot tayo ng ganito, guys, hindi po siya sustainable. So that's why we're doing this call to really share it to you na meron pala nito. Kasi hindi natin alam dito sa Pilipinas na meron yan. So it's really easy to use. I'm drinking it actually now because I want a good boost of energy kaninang 6 p.m. It tastes delicious. Lasa siyang nesty para sa akin. You can have it first thing in the morning. And of course, if you want to extend your fast, you can have it here. And you can also use it to replace your snack. Using Unimate throughout the day causes us to eat less, number one, and making fat loss easier so that it can really withdraw the fat for our energy. Huwag kayo matakot kasi may energy pa din si auntie nyo. Tignan nyo, di ba? So we don't count calories in this, but it really helps us to stay focused on our eating habits. Now, it also improves athletic performance, making your workouts and recovery better. And by the way, Doc Chester is a trainer. So, nakakatuwa na nandito siya because, di ba Doc, pwede itong gamitin even if you are on a fasted state while you work out. Baka
Yes,
may mga nag-workout dito.
yes, tama. Kasi actually I'm an athlete before, no? So triathlete ako.
Athlete din.
So talagang syempre if you're doing workouts talaga, meron kami tinatawag na carbo loading o carb loading, no? Before the competition. Pero actually nung na-try ko itong Unimate, kakaiba siya eh. So ibang energy ang binibigay niya sa akin. And right now,
Wow.
bumalik ako sa training ko. I'm doing marathon ulit and cycling.
Perfect.
Yan, swimming.
Now,
Mm.
Doc, ito ha, singit ko rin. Kasi
Oh, sure.
nakalagay dito, Unimate versus Red Bull. Okay?
Mm.
So, what's your say about having like diet energy drinks than having this natural energy boosting Unimate?
Kasi kadalasan content ng mga energy drink is mataas na sugar content lang. So, yeah,
Okay.
mataas na sugar content. Unlike the Unimate, pwede mo kasing gamitin dito yung fats and also what we call this, the excess protein and the other carbohydrates sa
Yeah.
katawan mo. Para ngayon, mas
Mm-mm.
maganda yung energy na may bibigay sa'yo. Unlike drinking mga energy drinks, ang nangyayari dyan is sa una lang yan, mag-shoot up yung energy mo. Then after few hours, medyo parang inaantok ka na. Then you're looking
Yeah.
for more sugar pa rin. Kaya ang tendency ngayon, maghahanap ka na ng mas maraming pagkain, no? So kasi yung cravings mo hindi na nakokontrol eh. So yun ang difference nila
Yeah.
with the Unimate and the energy drinks na available in commercial markets.
Kaya pala, Doc, even if you work out, no, napapansin ko din sa mga friends ko, you work out, you run and stuffs. Sometimes, what happens is, pag uwi mo, kakain ka ng madami, tapos matutulog ka.
Yes. Kasi
Di ba? Oh.
parang hindi bumalik yung energy na kailangan mo eh. So ang nangyayari ngayon is nagki-crave ka lang for the more sugar, more carbs, no?
Yeah, that's
Kasi
right.
kasi ang iniisip mo, nag-lose ka eh. Ang hindi mo
Correct.
alam habang nagwo-workout ka, minsan kasi hindi mo na-hit yung fat burning mode, the cardio.
Yeah, that's what I learned earlier,
Mm-mm.
Doc. Oo. Hindi mo siya
So,
nahi-hit. So,
mm-mm.
hindi rin kumbaga, nag-lose ka lang ng water, yung energy mo, pero hindi mo siya na-hit. So, kumbaga, hindi siya naging beneficial sa'yo talaga.
Yes,
Unlike
exactly.
Unimate, you reach that fat burning, you're claiming the fat, and it doesn't give you crash. So, hindi ka ragasa ng sugar, no? Kasi yan talaga is the actual sugar, Doc, di ba?
Yes.
Yun yung hindi maganda pag we are on a diet like mga energy drinks. Okay, so let's continue. So, pwede siya sa mga athletes, number 1, and it's safe, and even if you're a breastfeeding mom. Now, to maximize the result, ito ang masaya dito dahil kumakain tayo dito, and all of us here can really agree, especially sa mga nakatry na, no? We have a pair for this, which is called the Bios Life S. It has 7 different soluble and insoluble fiber. It's FDA approved. Halal din siya. Kosher certified, gluten-free, and naturally flavored and vegan. Sa mga nasa TikTok po, guys, lipat po kayo. Ipin ko po ulit yung comment ni Nurse Zaira. Diyan po tayo papasok. Go na po tayo sa Zoom meeting. Ma-admit na po namin kayo. Now, it's a patented blend of several soluble and insoluble fiber and plant nutrients that slows glucose absorption by 43% every time you eat. Kaya ito ang masaya dito, besties. Kahit na nagde-dessert pa kami, di ba? Hindi mo pinipigilan yung sarili mo at some point na the more mo kasing pigilan, the more ka napaparami. So in this case, it really gives us parang safe zone dun sa brain natin na okay lang ako mag-dessert. I'm all good. Kaya hindi kami nahihirapan mag-fat loss. That's the term. Fat loss talaga. It works to keep you feel full longer and faster. That's what I had when I had my dinner. Controlling your calories naturally, hindi na kami nagka-calorie count. Ang resulta niyan is no bloating, no sleepiness, and no sugar and cravings after meals. Kaya po nawala na kaagad kumbaga rin yung pagmemeryenda. So yun ang maganda dito. Without meal plans or calorie counting, isa yan sa mga tanong sa akin sa TikTok kanina, anong meal plan mo? Anong ganito mo? Wala po. Normal na food. I just added this protocol in my diet. Now, a study done at the #1 heart hospital, Cleveland Clinic shows, pag lagi tayo nagtitake ng fiber, wherein we need 25-35 grams of fiber a day, could reduce, on a population basis ha, to decrease your mga maintenance. Yan ang masaya, ang mga maintenance talaga natin. Now, which makes it a really helpful tool para sa ating mga modern food na ngayon na very easy to get, very easy to eat. Sobrang low na yung nutrients. Ito, pampasok natin to. And ito yung very proud kami. That's why we can't stop sharing this. That's why Doc Chester is here. That's why Nurse Zaira is here. These products are in the physician's desk reference. It's the gold standard ng mga doktor na pag nagre-reseta sila sa inyo, ito po ang ginagamit nila na i-check. No? Para tignan kung saan ka tutugma when you have a disease or when you have nararamdaman. Ito yon. Now, available na siya online that you can really check. So you can find these products there. And that's why these products are credible that's available in 62 countries. And we are the only company in the world that has 2 natural products na listed po that focuses or addresses insulin resistant. Kaya kung nakikita nyo guys, lagi talaga akong may ganito sa bag. Which is nandyan si aking tea and fiber. And by the way, for those who are watching on TikTok, wala po tayong yellow basket dyan, okay? We buy it from credible source, which is sa office, and distributors like ours. That means the system isn't just another supplement. Proven po ito, credible po ito, and recognized at the highest level of healthcare. Now, all of this for only ito lang a day. When we have our cravings, grabe no, napapagastos tayo ng mas malaki. Parang isang order lang po ito ng Starbucks natin or isang delivery rider. Not thinking na it might damage our bodies. Kasi kaya pa ng katawan natin eh. Kaya niya pa. Process pa. But, ngayon, napapaisip na tayo. When we get sick, medyo parang ang hirap ng ibalik kaagad. Ang daming nagiging bawal. Number 1. Doktor talaga ang nagsasabi niyan. Bawal ka muna mag-ito, bawal ka muna mag-ganyan. So, nare-restrict ka. Wherein, kung maaagapan pa natin yan, masaya kaming ma-help namin kayo. So, in these products, wala kang lugi because it has 90-day money-back guarantee. Especially, kung may blood results ka, naku, wala kang lugi talaga. Because, wala man mangyari sa'yo, sa tingin mo, hindi nagliit yung waist mo, kailangan natin ng sukat-sukat dyan, or yung blood pressure mo hindi bumaba, or basically, kailangan mo ng blood results dito, balik sa'yo yung binayaran mo. So these products are helping people change lives on a daily basis. So, very mabilis lang to ha. So si Crystal Bello lost 40 pounds. Beth lost ilan to? 106 to 78, 20 plus kilograms. Mami Maiten, a very low energy. Sobrang laki niya, sobrang sakit na ng katawan niya dahil maliit lang siya. Ito ang mga kababaihan na to na grabe talaga kasipag pero like, they need support. And not just that, it's not just good for men, for women, for men din. So, sa men, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi mas mabilis sa kanila. Kung napapansin nyo, baka naman lahat sila nag-workout, yung nasa gitna lang po yung nag-workout. Okay? So, yung asawa ni Mikey, naalisan na rin po siya ng kanyang mga maintenance for cholesterol. Nakakatuwa, di ba? And asawa ni Cash from the UK, in just 28 days, parang naputol ang tiyan. So, very, very happy kami to share this one because it's really a family matter. It's really a family affair. When we get healthy, sino ang nagbebenepisyo? Asawa mo. Sino nagbebenepisyo pa? Mga anak nyo. And pag nakita ka nila, yung mga kamag-anak nyo, yung mga magulang nyo, madadamay talaga sila. Okay, so now, magsasalita ang Doc Chester dito. Kitang-kita. Because as you can see, Doc Chester is 40 plus years old. But, yan na, mag-on na yan si Doc Chester siguro ng kanyang camera. And as you can see, dito sa ating left, no? Silang mag-asawa yan. As I've told you, it's really a family affair. And on the right, you can see how much fat they have lost. They got back their energy. And by the way, guys, Doc Chester is based in Macau. So, Doc Chester, take the floor. Open mo, Doc, yung mic mo. Doc, are you over there?
Hello.
Ayan, inadmit ko ulit si Doc. Okay, Doc, it's your time to shine.
Ayan, okay.
Ayan.
So, yan. So I'm one of the living testimony ng FGS or this Unimate and Bios. No? Way back 2 years ago, nagkaroon ako ng cardiomegaly or heart enlargement. And syempre associated na dyan with sleeping disorders. Nagkaroon ako ng sleep apnea. Tumaas rin ang aking blood pressure and syempre unstable din ang blood sugar levels. Then after 2 weeks, nag-lose na ako ng around 6 kilos that time. So, una skeptic talaga ako kasi sabi ko nga, what's this product? So, syempre hindi na bago sa akin na may mga ganitong product sa market. So, ang tingin ko is pare-parehas lang. Yan, syempre pinadala sa akin ng wife ko, si Sheila. Sabi niya sa akin, try mo kasi nga, syempre nag-aalala siya sa akin. Nasa ibang bansa ako. Ako lang mag-isa sa ibang bansa. And syempre bilang head of the family, dapat maayos din ang healthcare mo, no? Kumbaga, nagtitreat ka ng patients pero yung katawan mo napapabayaan mo na, no? So ngayon, to make the story short, after few weeks, tinuloy-tuloy ko siya. So, 1 month lang yung pinadala niya sa akin that time. Ngayon, tinuloy-tuloy ko yung pag-inom. Then, pag-uwi ko ng Pilipinas, bumalik ako sa cardio ko. So, kasi iba yung pakiramdam ko eh. Pero nag-lose na ako ng, that time nag-lose na ako ng around 8 kilos na. So, nakikita ko na yung difference. Yung dating belt bag, may belt bag ako dati eh, na natural na sa tiyan ko eh. So, ngayon, after a month, nakita ko yung difference. Talagang parang lumabas ulit yung katawan ko na pang-atleta. Ngayon, so natuwa ako ngayon. Sabi ko, iba tong product na to. So nag-deep dive ako sa sa studies niya. Since skeptic nga ako and I want to share it with other people, no, and also sa mga patients ko dito abroad. Ngayon, ang nakakatuwa dito, may 20 clinical studies. So sino ba naman ako para tumanggi? And when we say clinical studies kasi, isa yan sa mga pinagbabasihan natin. So when we're looking for pharmaceutical, nutraceuticals, so isa yan sa mga tinitignan namin, no, as healthcare professionals. So ngayon, tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang ngayon umiinom pa rin ako, no. From 82 kilos, 67 kilos na lang ako ngayon. And wala na rin yung heart enlargement, bumalik po sa normal. Kaya nagtataka rin ako. So, nung nag-deep dive kasi ako sa studies niya, it looks like, kala ko natural na mga content lang, no? Pero syempre, malalim yan. Hindi na natin gagawing technical. Pero syempre, maraming rasyonale, ika nga, no, na pwedeng ibigay itong produkto natin. And syempre, yung misis ko, yung wife ko is 80 kilos, ngayon 54. I think 26 kilos ang na-lose niya. So parang balik teenager kami ulit. Pero 42 na kami, no? 42 na kami ng wife ko. Pero balik teenager ulit ang itsura namin. Ang kagandahan nito, nagkaroon din kasi ako ng anxiety before. So nakatulong yung Unimate sa akin for my mental health also. Yun ang nakakatuwa kasi imbis na nai-stress ako, no? Before talagang mabilis kasi ma-stress. So we tend to overthink, no? Ngayon nagkaroon ako ng anxiety disorder. Nung nakilala ko 'tong Unimate, yun nga unti-unti siyang nawala, no? Na nagfo-focus na talaga, mentally alert ka na, mas focus ka na sa ginagawa mo. And yun syempre, dito sa Macau, nire-recommend ko rin siya sa mga patients ko. Kasi maraming cases dito ng CA, meron ding fatty liver, and maraming may PCOS. And kadalasan ng mga natitreat ko dito, since ang pinapractice ko dito right now is TCM. So, TCM kadalasan ang practice namin dito sa China. So ngayon, aware ang mga tao na itong pinapainom ko sa kanila is nasa physician's desk reference. So hindi lang siya basta inumin lang or basta kinuha lang siya kung saan, no? So pinag-aralan siya, it has different researches and syempre clinical studies as well. So yun. Thank you so much sa time, Abby.
Wow.
And
Sabi, Doc, salamat. So, as you can see, guys, si Doc ay na-interview ko last week, if I'm not mistaken, and he gave really good info about this. Okay? So, nandyan lang yan si Doc. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Baka every month na natin to siyang guest. Doc, salamat talaga. So, may I call on ito. So, Doc, from doctor tayo, ang assistant naman ng mga doktor, si Nurse Zaira. But not just that, guys. Before ko siya i-introduce, no? Kasi kasama ko na rin siya ng matagal in this business, like 2 years na. Nurse Zaira is not just a nurse. Nurse Zaira is also a chef. So, alam mo yon, from table to our inner health, yan ang kanyang forte, kumbaga. Diba? So, I really like this community because we get to learn from each other and we support each other on this level to really give you the value of really taking good care of your health. So, Nurse Zaira, take it away. Share your story and how this protocol has helped you.
So, hello everyone. Good evening. So, my name is Zaira. You can call me Zai. So, yes, I'm a registered nurse by profession, but I am also currently a pastry chef. So, currently, I have a business, and as of now, I am also the pastry chef, regional pastry chef of Northern Mindanao or the whole Mindanao from Nestle Philippines. So, kung iisipin ninyo, same with Doc Chester, kaming mga nasa medical field, I don't know if it will agree with Doc Chester, but kami kasi na mga nasa medical field, matitigas yung ulo namin. We do not, parang, siguro nga kasi nasa ano kami, nasa medical field kami. So parang as much as possible, parang alam na namin yung gagawin or nagiging parang skeptical kami. But nung napakita sa amin to and I found out about the FDA, hindi lang sa FDA approved kasi alam naman natin, 'di ba, sa FDA approved naman is here sa Philippines. But what really amazes me is that it is listed, both had two products listed in pdr.net, or you can search it right now, pdr.net, physician desk reference. So lahat ng mga doctors sa US, piniprescribe yan. Even the mga nurse practitioners, piniprescribe si Philgrade system. Here sa Philippines, para siyang memes. So, nandiyan lahat ng drugs na i-prescribe ng doctors. So, my story started because 8 years ago, hindi na maintindihan ng cardio ko yung BP ko. As in, nagsushoot up siya talaga. So, at first, binigyan ako ng dalawang meds, tatlo, hanggang since uncontrollable siya. Of course, I can't help it because I really have to taste everything na lalabas sa kitchen. So, I have to taste it. Kahit hindi ko siya kainin kasi ironic, I love baking pero I don't eat. So, tinitikman lang namin before it comes out sa kitchen. So, tumataas siya hanggang sa na-prescribe ako ng 5 medications sa BP lang yun ha, BP alone lang. And then, once na mag-shoot up talaga, like umaabot ng 200 yung BP ko, sa isang araw, siguro mga 10 to 12 tablets kasi nara-round the clock yung ibang medications ko. Minsan every 4 hours, like si Catapres. So, parang nahit ko na ata yung maximum na tolerance na pwede inumin. And then, ilang beses sa isang taon or every year talaga, walang pantis, na-hospital ako because of hypertension. So, na-experience ko na rin yung iswero. So, isiswero sa akin yung highest na potent na for hypertension, so which is nifedipine. So, napansin ko pa ganun, hindi pa rin siya nag-effect sa akin. Not until I realized na ayaw nga pala, may stock nga pala ako ng Filgrate sa bahay. So, sabi ko, papakidala nga dito sa hospital, ganun. So, at first, of course, being a nurse, skeptical. But the first day of drinking the system or the products, na-notice ko from 200, nag-180 siya. So, sabi ko, ay, hindi, baka ganito lang yan, baka ganyan. So, on the second day, after the second day, bumaba na naman siya ng 160. At that time, happy na ako kasi parang, uy, parang ang normal ko is 180. So, 160, uy, parang bagon to. So, tinuloy-tuloy ko. And then, on the fourth day, sa gabi, na-discharge ako kasi yung BP ko naging 140. So, the cardio told me, iha-half niya lahat ng medications ko. And then, continue monitoring. So, may dala akong notebook. So, lagi ko minomonitor yung BP ko morning, lunch, and evening. And then, balik ako on the next month, which is December. And then, if okay yung BP ko, nag-continue yon, then we will go from there. After a month, which is December, parang yun talaga yung parang greatest God's gift sa akin because yung doctor ko is nagulat. Sabi niya, whatever you're doing, you continue doing it because basically it's working for you. And then parang nahinga ako na parang super, hindi ko ma-explain. Basta sabi ko, Doc, I'm drinking something. Pinakita ko rin sa kanya yung mga medication, yung mga ingredients, ganyan. Tapos yun, sabi niya, whatever it is you're drinking, continue. And i-win off na kita sa medication mo because there's no point of drinking. 'Di ba? Na yung BP ko is 120. Tapos, pinakamataas na talaga 140. So, since December 2024, maintenance free na po ako. Hindi na po ako umiinom ng 10 to 12 tablets per day. And meron lang ako isang catapres just in case mag-spike up yung BP ko. But praise God, because of FGS, hindi na siya talaga umakyat. Tapos, ang na-realize ko is, I am more energized. Maybe because the too much synthetic drugs that I'm drinking. Super tired, grabe yung brain fog. Tapos akala ko, kasi trentahin ako, baka normal yun. So parang inaccept ko na yung, may trentahin na kasi, baka ganun yung laging lutang or parang nakatanga, parang ganun. But when I'm into the products, nawala yung brain fog. Yung focus, yung mental clarity, yung mga reports ko na natatapos ko noon ng 6 to 8 hours, natatapos ko siya in 2 to 4 hours. So that's a huge improvement on my part. And also, aside from that, nawala talaga, ang pinakagusto ko is nawala yung migraine ko. So nawala yung migraine ko aside from mental clarity. And aside from that, yung dad ko was been struggling fatty liver and high cholesterol for 2 years after his retirement. So he was prescribed atorvastatin medication. Sabi ko, wag mo muna inumin. You drink FGS first and let's see after siguro 15 days, then mag-repeat lab tayo. So, yun yung ginawa namin. Strictly sa protocol, strictly sa 2 products, and then after 2 weeks, nag-repeat lab kami. The day before, nag-repeat lab, pumunta siya sa kapitbahay namin kasi birthday. Siyempre, pag birthday dito sa Mindanao, uso yung lechon, tapos inom, 'di ba? So pag uwi niya ng bahay, sabi ko, paano yan? Ano na lang magiging result ng lab mo tomorrow? Sabi ko ganun. So wala nang effect yun kasi kumain ka ng lechon, 'di ba? Tapos uminom ka pa ng beer. So magi-emulsify yun. The next day, lo and behold, as in, like, nag-normal yung cholesterol niya and the fatty liver is gone. So parang kaming dalawa both na-amaze. And that is not, that
Yes.
stop from there. Kasi it's, tama si Abby, it has becoming a family affair. Both of my titos, currently is tumataas yung creatinine. Yung EFGR nila, filtration rate, is bumababa. So meaning yung functions ng kidney nila is may problem. Yung isa kong tito hindi na kasampa ng barko because nga mataas yung kreya niya and mababa yung EFGR nila. So what happened is pinatry namin sa FGS. Yung isa kong tito for 2 months, nabigyan na siya ng fit to work. So, nag-normal yung creatinine niya, amazing. Pati yung EFJR niya, nag-increase na. And then, yung isa ko namang tito, just for 2 weeks of drinking the FGS from 1.42 CREA, naging 1.2 something yung CREA niya. So, we can also prove it through lab works and lab results. And aside from that, ang dami kong friends na may mga PCOS, mga pre-diabetics, and lahat sila ngayon is very, very happy with their results. And ngayon, yung mga parents naman na nila, yung pinapainom nila with FGS. So, yun yung nagiging mission and purpose namin. Whenever we wake up every morning, may mga messages kami na nababasa. And until now, being in the business for almost 2 years, pati ako, na-amaze pa rin kung ano yung mga testimonials na nababasa namin kung paano namin sila na-help by just introducing the products. Also, we would also want to inform you that we do not claim anything na it is for treating or whatever it is. But based on PDR.net, of course, pinaprescribe siya and also backed up by clinical studies and human clinical studies and backup by science. So, yun yung story ko. So, thank you so much for listening. Yes.
Wow. Thank you, Nurse Zaira. So, si Nurse Zaira had been a great help din for me because regular siya sa Tita Session. So, Tita Session is my ano siya mas detailed on a specific topic. No, so ito is partly yun siya. So, Nurse Zaira had been my ini-interview every time, no? So again, yun na nga, every day we get inspired, and even I know si Doc Chester then gets inspired by how people has been using it and has been changing lives. So, kung hinahanapan nyo kami ng mga blood results, eto po, Nicole is a Pans girl, a model, maganda, kaya mag-workout, mayaman, kaya niyang mag-diet, no? Nung mga diet na whatever. Kasi work nila yon. They need to look presentable. Now, since 2018 pa actually to, she's struggling with her cholesterol. So her friend, Crystal, shared this protocol to her. And lo and behold, yan yung resulta niya for the past years. And on her third week pa lang, meron siyang general check-up. Guys, gumalaw ang baso. And yes, sabihin nyo na, ay, mga point lang naman yan, Abby. But if you are feeling something or may nararamdaman ka sa health mo, every point matters. 'Di ba? Every point matters and gets you closer to the health that you want. That's why nakaka-happy siya. Now, Jam is from the US and she lost 10 pounds in 3 months of cholesterol meds. Doktor, anong sabi niyan? No more joint and back pains, no more acid reflux, no more dysmenorrhea, and her HbA1c or the average of your blood sugar in 3 months time from 7.3 down to 5.9 in 6 months. And may result din po siya. Nasa Zoom natin ngayon sa mga nanonood online. You can still log in and yung mga nasa TikTok. Now, Lolo Avelino, pwede po ba yan sa mga kung anong edad? Basically, lahat tayo may tiyan. Ang HbA1c niya from 10 down to 5.9. Yung blood pressure niya back to normal levels. Again, 92 years old. From 11 maintenance pills down to 5 na lang. And grabe talaga yung in-increase ng energy na, and now nakakalakad na siya ng walang tungkod. Grabe ang health freedom. Now, this is Mami Shella Gungon's son, 18 years old. Lagi na siyang nagtutusok ng anti-inflammatory, no? Dahil ang tindi ng psoriasis niya or eczema niya. Grabe na yung steroid meds and everything. But, grabe, ilan lang to? Ilang buwan lang to? August, September, October, November, December. 4 months in the protocol. The skin got cleared yung sa kamay because I lived with eczema before. That's why I became a cosmetic science formulator student and I formulate natural products. Ito ang mga reason niyan. It's really the gut health. Now, ito naman yung kwento ko, guys. So, I've struggled with my PCOS and sciatica. It really pains me a lot because yung anak ko tumatakbo and then hindi ko siya mahabol dahil ang sakit-sakit ng likod ko dahil nga may nerve na naipit. Now, muntikan na ako for operation na hindi ko rin alam kung anong gagawin dyan, spine yan. Now, my skin is really worse. Hindi na yan maalis. And I got really big. 63 kilos. So, ang inspirasyon ko would be my child kasi sabi ko, hindi pwede to na hindi ako makakalaro with her. And what happened is, Zai, tinawag ko pa. Zai, no running. Zai, no running. Dangerous, anak. Dangerous. Okay, so, yun yung naging inspirasyon ko because I don't want her to see me na naghihirap. And I'm a living proof as well because ang nanay ko ay stroke patient po. She is paralyzed. And I don't want that to happen to my kid. So as you can see, I do have my medical records there, December 22. That's why yan yung picture. Kat, wag. Now, sa Makati Median, I do have a diffuse adenomyosis, developed PCOS, ganyan, sobrang laki, grabe yung high inflammation talaga. And came 8 months and I'm not expecting that because I know this will take like 2 to 3 years bago ko siya ma-fix talaga. With the protocol, again, wala po akong binago, wala pa akong workout niyan because I'm a busy mom at meron nga akong ina-assist na mom ko na paralyzed, no? This happened on my general checkup. Everything became normal. So, maiintindihan natin na parang there's really something in our gut, no? That really makes all of this possible and makes everything worse as well. So if we take good care of our gut, which is our second brain, things like this can happen. So now the question is, 'di ba? Meron bang makakatulong sa atin to heal naturally? Yes, we can have that support. Okay? So if you have questions, besties, feel free to ask. Dito sa ating mga online, if you have questions, feel free to ask. We still have time. I'm just so happy that within an hour we get to do this. 'Di ba? Sobrang thank you for your time. Ma'am, sinabi ko na po yung product, Ma'am Vani, sa nasa TikTok. Nasa Zoom po kasi tayo ngayon. I just went live so that you can also hear this po. So you can message me po. Because again po, I'm with Dr. Chester and Nurse Zaira. This protocol is hindi po putyo-putyo na mabibili lang natin dyan. So we want to guide you as well. Yun po. So may question pa po ba sila? Ayan. So no worries po kung wala kayong question kasi you can always get back to the person who invited you. Join niyo po ang Zoom, yes po. Katulad po ng reply ni Nurse Zaira. Miss G, message niyo po ako. Sabihin niyo lang po nag-watch kayo ng live and I can send you the discounted link po. Baka may questions po sila, you can open your mic as well. Feel free po. Habang nandito po si Doc Chester, Chrisally, saan po makaka-order? I will send you the link. Kung sino po ang kausap ninyo on this call or sino ang nag-invite sa inyo, you can message them po. In my case po, kung sa akin po kayo, Be Your Healthy Body na FB page. Anak, so ayan, katulad niyan, nakikita niyo, anak ko kasama ko po. So kung kayo po ay invite ko dito po, Be Your Healthy Body.
I love you.
Oh, I love you po din, di ba? Kaya niyo ba yan na ano? Ate Blaze ito. Hi, Ate Blaze. Ate Blaze, na-send ko na sa iyo ito. So, as you can see, no, ang saya kasi Nurse Zaira is in Mindanao. Ako naman, nasa Luzon. Hi, Mommy Kids. Si Mommy Kids ay client ko din. She's been using it for, ilan na to, Mommy Kids? Mag 3 months ka na ba? Or 2 months? So, yon. So, guys, ang masaya dito, hindi po ito para sa nagmamadali. Okay? Because the damage that we've done to our bodies, nagko-compound yan. Okay? So, yun po. Kung kailangan nyo nito, do message the person who invited you. Do you have any last message, Doc Chester and Nurse Zaira, regarding this protocol or how easy it is to use? Especially, lahat tayo busy, no? Ako may mama, may anak, ganyan-ganyan. But we are really, really passionate about helping you guys get back your health as how it helped us as well. Any last message kayo, Doc Chester and Nurse Zai? Baka meron kayong mga gustong i-add on? May mga nakalimutan po ba ako? PM done. Okay po. Sige po. Sa mga nagpi-PM. What
Ayun,
can
last
you say
message.
how easy it is?
Ganito lang yan, no? Syempre bilang doctor, no, alisin ko na yung pagiging doktor natin, ika nga. So bilang isang FGS user, or isa ako sa living testimony kasi nito, no. So napabilib kasi ako nito. Not to the extent na just just to look good, kasi number one talaga is, para sa akin, ingatan mo yung sarili mo eh. Health is the true wealth talaga. Wala nang hihigit pa doon. So, lahat naman is papunta doon, no? May mortality rate na tinatawag, lalo na sa hospitals, no? May mortality rate. Pero syempre, ang point natin dito is yung product, we have the solution. And syempre, ang tina-target kasi nito is the root cause. No, hindi yung typical the signs and symptoms, yun lang talaga. So, ayun, hopefully madali lang kasi siyang inumin. Okay, 2 products and 1 practice nga, ika nga, no. So, the same protocol, sundin lang po natin, just like the same lang naman yan pag iinom ka ng gamot eh. So, pag may tinatawag na what we call this, sa pharmacology, yung pinaka-graph mismo ng pag-iinom ka ng gamot sa pharmacology. So, same lang rin naman yan. Kung pag sinabi ng doctor, inumin mo to every 6 hours. So, parang ganun. So, ganun lang siya kadali, guys. Ang tea is sa morning, pwede siyang alternative sa coffee, for breakfast, para ma-increase din or ma-prolong yung fasting mo. And syempre, for lunch and dinner is the Bios Life S, or the 7 fiber or fiber juice matrix. Which is nakakatulong yan for gut system. Hindi lang siya basta fiber juice, no?
Correct.
Napakahalaga ng prebiotics, syempre, lalo sa
Yes.
mm.
At saka Doc, isa nga rin sa na-learn ko like this week, no? There's microbiomes na only we can find in our gut. And that lowers our body's inflammation. So sabi ko, kaya pala ang bilis umepekto sa akin, guys. Within 3 months, yung sciatica ko, wala na. As in, the pain went gradual na nawala. Then, wala na siya. Kasi ang sakit-sakit niya talaga, kaya marirecognize ko na ang sakit. 'Di ba? So, si Doc, working in a clinic, hospital, busy every day, Macau, lakad-lakad yan. So, easy. Yun lang. We have our bottle. Sa office, pwedeng iganon lang. Shake-shake lang kami. So, yun yung pinakamasaya sa amin. Nurse Zaira, any last message? Last message. Baka may gusto kang i-add or anything. And guys, don't be, parang wag kayong magulat na parang, baka hindi ko pa kaya ito. Don't worry. The person who invited you has trial packs, okay, for taste. If you wanna taste it for like, akin kasi 2 weeks bago lumiit biglang lumuwag yung short ko. So, I would really recommend that. But if you like to try it for 10 days to really see for yourself how it tastes, ano ba tong natutulog niya yon. Pero we cannot guarantee you that there will be majestic that na mangyayari, no? Pero like, we would really appreciate if you do the 3 months na time, makita nyo how it really work for you, and may blood results kayo, especially kung may karamdaman kayo, yan po. And yun na nga, hindi tayo mahihiya. You can present this to your doctor. Especially sa may mga sakit-sakit na talaga. Nurse Zaira, do you have anything to say?
I think nasabi na lahat ni Doc Chester. But in addition to what Doc Chester have said, yeah, totoo. Until now, na-amaze pa rin ako. And at the same time, just consistently follow the protocol, the 2 products and 1 protocol, which is yun nga yung intermittent fasting. And lo and behold of how it will change your lives. Kasi like ako, sa nursing school until now, parang hindi naman tinuro sa amin yan. Like we do have pathophysiology, tama si Doc. Sila din, sa med school may pathophysio sila. But automatic kasi na kapag yung patient, nabasa namin yung chart, hypertensive, automatic, bibigyan ng it's either losartan or dipin, lahat ng dipin drugs. If yung patient is may fatty liver or high cholesterol, automatic sa drugs niyan, ang doctor's order is statin na meds. And of course, it's a little bit sad because you know kung ano yung mga possible side effect of those drugs, 'di ba? Pero of course, need kasi natin i-manage yung mga conditions nila. That's why pinaprescribe sila nun. So, it's very happy and that's why passionate kami because I also lost my mom. Sabi ko nga, kung medyo umaga lang ng ilang buwan si FGS, baka I could have saved my mom. So I know na he will really feel good and better sana kung na-try ni FGS. That's why I'm very passionate about it. Kasi kung natutulungan ko nga yung mga friends ko, what more, 'di ba, sa mom ko or sa mga family or relatives. So, yun lang. So, it will only take you one decision because the best investment that we can give to ourself is health investment. So, yes, we do know it's kind of expensive, but come to think of it, meron nga iba, 'di ba, bumibili ng iPhone. Think of it that way, bumibili ng iPhone. But what do we get something in return from buying an iPhone? Ano bang benefit ni iPhone to us? 'Di ba? So bibili tayo ng magkano mahal, ganun. Pero ano bang benefits nun? Pero ito, ayan na nilalatag sa inyo, 90 days money back guarantee. So si company mismo nagsasabi, nag-assure sa inyo that it will really work. And if it didn't work, willing sila ibalik yung pera na binayad ninyo.
Na
So,
never
yes.
mangyayari sa butika.
Yes.
Yes.
Totoo yun. Mm-mm. So,
Wow.
yun lang yung takeaway ko. So, you only need one decision to transform your life. Kasi ako, sa totoo lang, kung naging skeptical din talaga ako, kung wala ako dun sa
Wala.
hopeless case ko, baka until now,
Correct.
umiinom pa rin ako ng 10 to 15 medications per day, di ba?
Tablets.
But, nag-decide ako one decision, and it transformed my life. So, hopefully sa inyo din. So, yun.
Wow.
So, thank you, Doc
Grabe.
Chester, and thank you, Ma'am Abs.
Wow. Sobrang thank you, Doc Chester and Nurse Zaira. Grabe ka meaningful ng call na to, ha. Like, we would really love to see you more often. And not just that, diba? When you choose it means choosing life. And choosing life means choosing health because we only have one body. So I will close it with this. And again, connect with the person who invited you. And this call will be posted on my YouTube channel, Have Your Healthy Body, and I hope it will reach more people because saving life is our mission. And kung talagang alam mo yon, kung mapipigilan pa at matutulungan pa, eto na po, nilatag na po ang solusyon. So maraming salamat po for taking time and we hope to see you once again on our next call. And salamat because
Good night
giving your
po.
time here means you really care for yourself and your family and your loved ones. Maraming salamat po. Good night and God bless. Yay! Thank you, guys.